The local government of Matnog in Sorsogon implemented forced evacuation after public storm warning signal number 3 was raised in the entire province.
We will be already implementing the forced evacuation of this mga barangay prone to typhoon surge at saka yung mga low-lying areas dyan na pwede mag-landslide.
In the coastal barangay of Caloocan, residents were brought to higher ground due to the threat of a storm surge. However, some residents in the coastal areas refused to be evacuated.
Kung medyo malakas na, ganun ang gagawin. Pero kung katamtaman lang, parang makakaya mo pa. Kasi hindi naman yung lumilipat na tubig dito. Hindi tulad ng dati talaga, na hanggang dito sa silong ang alon. Pero hindi naman kami umalis. Kasi lumaki ako dyan, tinitingnan ko pang alon. Nilalaro-laro ko pa.
But Mayor Emilio Obaldo said police would force the residents to evacuate.
I have just instructed the PNP to conduct now a inventory of all those. Kung medyo ayaw o kasi ang iba ayaw mali, sabi ko medyo persahin na ninyo because we wanted to save their life.
Barangay Captain Nanette Bufete said relief goods were already prepared for immediate distribution.
Ngayon po, magbibigay tayo by 1 o'clock para sa mamayang gabi at saka kinabukasan. Kaya lang, good for 2 meals lang yung kaya ng budget namin. Kalalabas lang kasi ng Saglenda.
Bufete said the barangay hall and the parish church would be used as evacuation centers. Some residents were also evacuated to a church in Matnog town proper. At the evacuation center, an evacuee recounted her traumatic experience during Super Typhoon Yolanda, which prompted her and her family to voluntarily evacuate.
Pupunta rin talaga kami rito kasi minsan natakot na rin kami ng bagyong Yolanda noon. Kaya siyempre kailangan din talaga na lumikas ka.
This is Nestor Corrales of Inquirer.net reporting.